Okay, so the intro. Okay, that's what I'm going to teach you now. So you start off on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Your ring finger is probably the best to use. So you play the 2nd string, play the 1st string and hammer up to that 2nd fret on the 1st string. So 2, 1, and hammer up to 2nd fret. What you do now is move up to the 9th fret on both the 1st and 2nd string and play 1 and 2. So it's then you play 6, 3, and then down to the 7th fret on the 1st string, leaving the 9th fret fretted on the 2nd, you play 2 and 1 together. Okay? Next, what I like to do is I bar the 1st and 2nd string on that 7th fret. You play the 1st string on the 7th fret. You then go up to the 11th fret on the 2nd string and pull off to the 7th fret. And then open 2nd. Sorry, open 1st. So we've got Okay, what you do now is you come to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay, and you carry on a bit like that. So it's 2nd fret on the 4th string, you play open 5th, and then 4, and then open 1st and 2nd. Okay? And then you add the 4th fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret on the 3rd string. It's actually easier if you add your little finger to the 4th fret on the 2nd string and your middle finger to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, because in just a sec we have to fret the 4th fret on the 6th string, which if you've got your ring finger free, it's easier to do that way rather than repositioning your fingers at a later date. So just trust me for now. So yeah, add these 2 fingers here like I've just described, and then you play open 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and then 1st again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's okay, so what we've got from here, like I said earlier, 4th fret on the 6th string. You can lift your index finger now if you like. You can even lift your middle finger because you're not playing that on the 3rd fret. You're playing okay. You play 6, 2, 4, 2 again down to the 2nd fret. Open 2nd and 3rd, and then up to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, play it once and hammer up to the 4th fret, and then lift off again and play it again. So it's so we've got and all together. Okay, after that you play 2nd fret on the 6th, second fret on the fourth, and then third as well. And then what you do then is from the start. Okay, so you play that twice, and the second time, rather than coming back in again to that bit, you just play the second string open twice, and then it goes into that bit, which I'll teach you later on. Okay, so let's just consolidate what we've just learned. Let's play all the intro all the way through from the start.